Hey, we're at the Toro booth, and I wanted to show you this. The new Titan mowers here from Toro. These are the zero turn. They have got this Myride technology built in. Basically, the idea behind this is that I'm going to be on a mower for a couple of hours because I've got a bigger yard, and I want to have as smooth as ride as possible. What's cool about the Myride system is that it's adjustable. Now, this is a quick adjustment right here where I can go and grab the little handle, and I can adjust it for more or less. Now, this particular one has a similar version, just a little bit lighter weight handle. But again, I can adjust it for more or less. And that means that it's going to be a softer ride, maybe a little bit more stiff ride, depending upon what I need for my application. But that Myride is available on certain models of Toro. The Time Cutter HD right there, and their Time Cutter with the Myride system. So if you're looking for that, look for that sticker when you're shopping for your Toro zero-turn mower.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.